Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Tradovate account to Tradingview in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing Tradingview Premium, currently a Black Friday deal is going on in which you are going to get 80% off plus 1 month absolutely for free. So make sure you check the link of it given down in the description. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply hover over to the top, then click on the option of products. You can also click on the option of this search bar here, and you can just click on any of the symbols in order to launch its chart. So as you can see, whichever method you are going to choose, you will see this type of chart in front of you. Over here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left. Then it is going to show you all of the list of the brokers which you can basically connect here in TradingView. Now we need to look for Tradovate in it. So click on the option of show all brokers, and as you can see, it is going to give you the list of all of the brokers that are available here. So you can press Ctrl plus F here on your keyboard. Then you can just simply type Tradovate. As you can see, Tradovate is available here. When you click on it, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. Over here, it is going to basically ask you to provide your live account credentials, or if you have a demo account with them, you just have to provide your demo account credentials. After providing these details, simply click on the option of connect, and this way you will be able to connect your Tradovate account with TradingView very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our future TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.